Hey everyone, Casey Dimon here. We're talking about tax sales in the state of Ohio. Now, the state of Ohio offers tax liens and tax deeds both. A tax lien is a priority lien against real estate for failure to pay property taxes, whereas a tax deed is the actual transfer or sale of a piece of property as a result of those failure to pay your property taxes. It should be noted that tax lien certificate system in Ohio does allow the county to sell the liens as bulk packages if they so choose, and many areas do choose this. Then what will happen is they will sell hundreds or thousands of liens in one package to one investor. Purchase prices on these can be upwards of $10 or $20 million in some areas, and the system is generally not designed for small or non-institutional investors in these areas. Now, when it comes to tax liens, Ohio does use an interest bid down method for their tax liens. The interest starts at 18% per year and is bid down in 1/4% increments until the lowest bid is awarded for that lien. Basically, the investor willing to set the lowest amount of interest. Now, there is a 1-year redemption period for these liens, and they must be foreclosed within 3 years, or otherwise the liens become void. If the lien does not get redeemed, the lien holder must foreclose that lien. After foreclosure, the property is sold at what is called a tax lien foreclosure auction, which can be considered similar to a tax deed auction. The minimum bid at this auction will consist of the amount of delinquent taxes, interest, and all legal fees, including that foreclosure cost, up to this point. The person who is willing to pay the most amount of money for that property will become the winning bidder. Now, the county treasurer is responsible for both the tax lien and the tax lien foreclosure sales. I recommend contacting them directly with any specific questions about their process, the sale dates, or accessing the tax sale list. Now, many treasurers in Ohio do have websites with a lot of information posted on them. If they don't, it would certainly be worth a phone call to learn how they operate their specific sale process. To learn more about the state laws governing these tax sales in the state of Ohio, go ahead and go to Google and Google Ohio Revised Code Section 5721.30. I really hope you've enjoyed this video, the breakdown of Ohio's tax sale laws. For information on other states, head on over to taxsaleacademy.com and click on our state guide. Have a great day. Bye-bye.